Today is Sunday, July 28th, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square holdings. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Since my last update, I haven't made any changes to my portfolio. This is what the SPY chart looks like right now. Since my last update on Wednesday, the market took a pretty heavy dive, which also continued in Thursday. On Friday, the market saw a little bit of a recovery, but as you can see, the price is still below the 5-day and the 15, which in the short term means we're in the bear market. Since July 16th, the market has fallen 3.62%. I talked about in the last update how I was hoping that the S&P 500 would continue to be flat going into Jerome Powell's Fed speech. I wouldn't be surprised if the market goes up over the next couple of days leading into the Fed meeting. From where we are right now, it would only be a 1.68% gain to get there. And then ideally after the Fed speech, we would continue to go on the bull run like we were before, but it's all going to depend on what Jerome Powell says. This is the first page of all my current positions, showing 13 out of 18. Right now, Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Mind Medicine make up my top 5, and those account for 46.8% of my portfolio. The biggest winners I have right now are Nvidia, Apple, and Mind Medicine. The positions that are in the red aren't negative that bad, so I feel comfortable hanging on to them. And these are my remaining positions. Right now, Super Microcomputer, Tesla, and Shopify make up my positions with the biggest losses. Super Micro only makes up 2.52% of my portfolio. Tesla's at 1.37 and Shopify 1.35. Since they're really small positions right now, when the timing is right, I'm going to purchase more and dollar cost average into them. Right now, I have 93.77% of my portfolio invested with 6.23 sitting in cash. Since Wednesday, my portfolio saw a decline of 3.42%. The S&P 500 saw a loss of 1.71, and Pershing Square went down 10.94%, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a gain of 18.63. The S&P 500 is at a gain of 15.1, and Pershing Square Holdings on the year has a gain of 7.25. That's all I got for today. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Tuesday.